Ladies and gentlemen, we're live. Cut Off, Louisiana, next to the Tranquility. They cruising, man. Look at them. That thing probably broke off. Holy shit. That thing broke off. That was huge. That's a communication tower. That's why we can't hear shit on the telephone. It broke our communications. Devastation. Oh, there's a Confederate flag. Oh, that's glitching out. Look at it. Freaking out. I think that bridge is ruined or something. Who's that? I'd seen that one before. Ha! That's badass. It's still there. Little coon-ass bastards know what they're doing. Oh, this is the oh, okay, I get it now. This is the point beyond. I need to freaking. It's all blocked up right there. That boat is blocking everything. So fucking many ropes tied on it. Where did you see that? Wow, these ones are good. That one looks like it must have got dirty. Look at that. It's dirty as fuck. Is it the Pure Pleasure? Pure Pleasure 2? Turn the camera on. This is the 18,000 power line. I had to get out, climb on top of the boat, wrestle with, electrocuted. In a freaking storm here, Hurricane Ida. Okay, came through Category 4 and just blew the shit out of this thing, man. Look at this fucking house over here. Oh, please, Jesus, help me. No, Jesus ain't helping me. Jesus didn't help me that day. Oh, there's Louisiana. Oh, it's broke away from its mooring a little bit, but our dream saved it. God damn it. Oh no. Loose cannon. Here's another one. Look, got mooring lines everywhere. Oh, we got a broken one right there in the front. Look at this. Well, look at that whiskey girl right there. Whiskey girl. worked on that boat before. Crazy. Alright. Nobody evacuated, dude. Look at this. I don't want to see no more power lines either. God damn it. Done with these power lines. Please, Jesus. Oh, please, Jesus. Shit. That's a good one. So, after driving hours and hours, we finally made it to the boat ramp, which looks a little bit like this. Boat ramp number 3. We got this freaking weird looking freaking Chinese weird thing, man. Look at that. We got a boat ramp for now. We got a boat ramp. So we just need a path for the truck. So ladies and gentlemen, we're here. It's 2 days after the hurricane. There's a lot of work to get down here. Look at how the sand is built up in my little parking lot. You know, it's screaming over there, dude. Last night, I don't know, I seen some waves come out of nowhere, dude. It was just massive waves. Came through over the fucking island, dude. 2 days after the goddamn old storm passed. This is not happy. This is not happy, dude. But look at that camp though. The freaking, that one camp right there is just fucking golden. Look at it. Look how tough it is. And all these other ones are just ruined. And you got that one camp. Holy moly. Yeah, something happened here. Oh God. So here's some kind of burrito. That's all that's left. So they put sand on the beach. I knew it's like, this is like a dream, you know? This is not even real. I'm gonna wake up in a minute. I'm gonna be buying fucking bait for $5 a fish or something, you know? Look at this shit. This is fucking terrible. Here's a rig that got messed up. GI-26X, and there's no fish. I don't think I should tie off to that. Wow, that's sad, dude. I think he smashed the rig or something. Son of a bitch. Pretty freaking scary to me. This is a stinky motherfucker. Look, busted rig number 15,000 right here. Something's wrong with this thing. It says ST 20 something, 25. Smells like kerosene, dude, real bad. We live here. Look at this boat, man. Look at this son of a bitch. It's blocking the whole river, dude. Hey, Hey, this is Ocean Adventures here, reporting to you live from Hurricane Ida. We're in Port Fourchon, Louisiana. I found this boat washed up on a bank here. Excuse me, sir. I would like to ask you for an interview. What happened here?
Just looking for my great-grandfather's fishing poles. Kind of the only thing we had found. We've been looking around a good bit, but Ida 2021 came through and got us.
So, what's the next thing? What's the next plan to do?
Kind of get all the insulation out of the camps and get them all tarped up a little bit. Go home, maybe go to church more, say a few prayers, and hope everything works out. Is what I'm thinking about doing.
Church. This is a big, messed up situation.